My lord,
Looks like there's quite a crowd for mentioning today.
my lord, mentioning directly mention no, my lord.
Yes.
Item 5, my lord. In this case, I am appearing for respondent number 2. But about 7 years, I have no any connection and no any communication. And lastly, on the last week,
Appeal.
I
Criminal appeal.
yes, my lord. Then also, my lord, I am here. I am the equitable person. If the judgment
Yes, but you see, in criminal appeals, counsels are engaged. So what more contact you need with the clients?
no, my lord, the appeal against me. And
Or you are the respondent.
yes,
It's all right. You are there.
I am there.
Then
I have no any objection to argue the matter. But if the person is not available, if the person is already expired or some whatever
that
maybe,
we will see.
how order?
How old is the? Who is there for the appellant?
Hi.
It's the PP Datta, amicus.
It's amicus on the on the last day he was engaged as amicus lordship.
Because I think there was no.
Yes.
It is also 11 years old matter, my lord. And
Like you see, criminal matters can be
Yes.
11 years, 15 years old, but these are statutory appeals.
yes, my lord.
They are listed before this court for disposals,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Now, if you are not, if you don't want to argue for the respondent, we can appoint someone else for the as an legal aid or amicus. That is also not a problem.
Yes, sir.
These matters cannot be kept. But nonetheless, I am only giving you a week's time. You want to contact, you can contact, but nothing more than that. This is an old matter.
Yes, my lord.
Your name?
K.U. Ahmed.
Heard, Mr. Heard MS?
PP Das lordship.
MSPP?
Das.
Das, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of the amicus curiae, Mr. PP Datta. And during the mentioning asked, Mr. K.U. Ahmed, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent number 2, submits that since the matter that he may be given given a short accommodation in order to contact the respondent stroke acquitted accused so as to obtain instruction as regards his status. Prayer is allowed. However, it is made clear that by the next date of listing, if Mr. Ahmed is unable to contact his client, notwithstanding that, the criminal appeal shall proceed for hearing in accordance with law. Relist on such and such date.
May I please?
And also record A Begum
My lord,
APP.
24, my lord.
May I please, your
Obliged.
lordship? I like to mention item number 7, 8, and 9, your lordship. Your lordship, there are total 10 witnesses, your lordship, and all the witnesses, Mr. Evidence are in vernacular, your lordship. So, your lordship, kindly a date may be fixed, your lordship. The evidence may be translated, your lordship.
Who will translate?
Your lordship.
You wait for some time.
Okay.
Yes.
Regarding item 19 of today.
Item
19.
yes.
I'm from the respondent, my lord. A little accommodation I need, my lord. At 2 item may be taken, my lord. At 2 item. may be-
At 2 today difficult. Then next week.
No, my lord. Then I will wait, my lord.
Then wait. Yes.
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13. We have received instruction from the client that the matter has been compromised.
You don't want to
We
press.
would like to withdraw.
All right. In item number 13,
P. Agarwala. on
MSP
Mr.
Agarwala, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, submits that submits that her office has received instruction from the petitioner that the petitioner does not wish to press the instant criminal petition inasmuch the matter has been compromised out of court. Who is appearing for the respondents?
Lordship,
Prayer is not opposed. Give appearance of A. Begum. And in view of the aforesaid endorsement, the criminal petition stands closed as being infectious. Withdrawn. Dismissed on being withdrawn. Yes.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18 from today's list, my lord. I would with the consent from the other side, my lord. Kindly pass over.
Mr.
the
Smith, you are in this?
Item number 18.
You are for whom?
I am appearing on behalf of Mr. N. Upadhyay.
For
I am for the
petitioner?
petitioner, yes.
377, yes. Why you are seeking time?
My lord, he has some personal difficulty, ma'am.
Uh,
Only for today. I am seeking accommodation for
as
today.
prayed for by Mr.
Yes, Upadhyay.
S. Upadhyay, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist on such and such date. Give a date.
Deeply obliged, ma'am.
Yes, Mr.
Yes,
Smith?
with the concern on the other side, Madam, I beg to mention item number 14, 15 and 16, Madam. This is a whole matter, 2014 matter. I am for the respondent, my lord. This is regarding the criminal petition for quashing of the complaint petition.
What provision? Employee state
Yes,
insurance.
Yes, ma'am. My name was not shown in the cause list, ma'am. However, I have contacted the corporation, my lord, with regarding to the status of the cases. I am seeking only a short date, my lord. only
All
for-
right. You are for the respondent.
Respondent.
Who
In
is
all
there
the-
for the,
I have taken consent, my lord.
Mr. Nath, I think you are there.
Yes, my lord, there are 3 items.
14, 15,
I'm
16.
taking consent.
My lord, last night, yes, yes.
Mm,
yes,
he
last
has.
night.
Heard Mr. M. Nath, learned senior counsel, assisted by, give your junior's name. A. Bhattacharjee. Also heard Mr. M. Smith, learned standing counsel, ESIC.
My lord.
Uh, Mr. Smith submits that since his name has not been reflected in the cause list, due to oversight, he has missed the matter and accordingly seeks reposting any date next week.
Short date, my lord, any date.
Prayer is not opposed, relist on such and such date. Next week and a date. Mr. Nath, 19?
19th is 19th, my lord, my lord.
Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 20, lordship,
Item number?
20. There is some difficulty on the part of the conducting council, lordship. He can-
What is the difficulty? That's the last matter on board. And yes, item number 12, why are you waiting? You had circulated an adjournment slip. Because if you keep waiting, that would be the last matter remaining on the board and I shall not adjourn it. Despite the fact that you had circulated an advance slip. Why are you waiting? Item 12 to Lagada. Mr.
R. Sharma.
R. Sharma. Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. By circulating advance adjournment slip, seeks adjournment of posting of the criminal revision petition on any other date. Prayer is not opposed. Relist when?
After a week, lordship.
Deduct on such and such date.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, now
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10.
no more matters going to be mentioned right now. We will see now when the matters are called. Only 3-4 matters are there. Let's see if there are any genuine grounds we shall accommodate.
7, 8, 9 is in 10.
So let it be called. Any difficulty? Already somebody had mentioned item 7. We said we will see when the matter is called. You have heard it. Then why are you unnecessarily wasting judicial time? Wait for
Sorry.
your turn.
Sorry.
Wait for your turn now. In the meantime, if you have the brief, go through it. Yes.
For admission, item number 1 and 2.
Yes, Mr. Mahajan. Jungita mentioned first.
Yeah, it's a quashing petitions, my lord.
Quashing. You want quashing of what?
No, 1 and 2 are case and counter case, my lord.
Huh?
1 is our petition, my lord. 2 is our cross case against us, my lord.
So you are seeking quashing.
I'm seeing quashing of their FIR, they're seeing quashing of my FIR.
Acha, two cross affairs.
Yes,
Got it.
And the FIR is
And
that-
who is appearing for the other side? Mr. Bora. So you are the petitioner in item 2. All right, Mr. Mahajan.
2 of the present.
Got it. Understood. Yes, Mr. Mahajan.
Well, here the background is that we are brothers, my lord, both the informants, my lord. We are their own brothers, my lord. We have been fighting for a 32-inch gap between our buildings, my lord. Since 2001.
You've been
my lord.
fighting for what?
32-inch gap, my lord.
Between the building.
Our buildings.
Between the buildings.
Our buildings are adjacent to each other, my lord. A drain goes by, my lord. We've been fighting for that.
The
for-
drain is under contest.
We have been fighting for that. since
Who wants the drain? Mr. Bora's client or you?
Mr. Bora's client had in 2001, my lord, entered a compromise agreement saying that that gap will remain. And then again, cases are filed in Ultimately in 2019, my lord,
Both brothers
both are brothers, my lord. They are both aged persons also, my lord.
and living in those two houses.
Yes, ma'am.
With families.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Our building is also a market, my lord, SN market.
What is the offense involved?
Here, Lordship will kindly come to the FIR, my lord.
No, just give me the offense.
My lord, 323, 511 and 294.
323.
Yes, ma'am.
Hurt.
Hurt, ma'am.
Section 323. 323 simple hurt.
Simple hurt, ma'am.
And then
294, my lord.
section 294.
4, my lord. Obscene words, my lord. And 511, my lord.
And section
511, my lord.
511.
Attempt, my lord.
So both of you want each other's FIR to be quashed. Why don't you both get into a compromise? You both are brothers.
My lord, we are not in amicable terms, my lord.
So
I
you
think
want me to refer these matters to the mediation center?
they are not in amicable terms. My lord, Lordship, kindly see the FIR once, my lord. Page 10. The ingredients itself.
You want this court to do that exercise. But if this court, but you see, Mr. Mahajan, the difficulty is that if this court finds that the averments in the FIR makes out a prima facie offense, this court is not going to quash it.
Definitely.
This court cannot now, just because you both brothers are not on amicable terms, is not going to pass a judgment contrary to Bhajan Lal, isn't it, Mr. Nath?
Bhajan will help you, my lord.
It will help you.
Yes, my lord.
Personal vengeance.
And my lord,
That paragraph of Bhajan Lal you are going to rely.
and my lord, on plain reading of the FIR, my lord, the offense is not made out, my lord.
Okay.
Page
If
10.
that is so, you don't have to worry.
Yes, my lord.
Let's see.
Yes, my lord. Page 10, my lord.
Page 10. 6, 7, 19. This is their FIR.
May I read the FIR? Respectful submission.
So you are Mr.
I'm
Sheikh Noor Iman.
Mukta, yes, my lord.
That is the petitioner here, na?
Yes, my lord. And my wife, my lord. Petition number 2 is the.
And the wife. And the other person is Sheikh Noor Islam,
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Bora's client.
Yes, my lord.
Respondent. Yes. And your FIR is dated. Just give me the date.
My FIR is, my lord,
No.
5/7.
Oh, the FIR that you filed. Yes, against
5/7,
him.
2019, my lord.
5,
2019, my lord.
1 day
1 day prior.
prior, 2019. And which page will I find that?
That is at page 16, my lord.
Page 16.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, proceed.
Page 10, my lord, the FIR, my lord.
Very short FIR.
Very short, my lord. Respectful submission is that yesterday on so and so, at around so and so, 2 police personnel from your police station came and called me and my manager outside. In the meantime, the above mentioned accused persons, after coming there, rebuked us in many ways and threatened to beat and kill us. But the said building is not mine, it is my daughter's, and being the father, looking after the same. The above accused person every now and then, by coming to my Munni market, used to abuse me. But the ingredients of 323 are completely missing.
323 is not there.
Not there.
94, my lord. Simple.
Came and called me and my manager outside.
The police
Two
person.
police person.
Yes, ma'am.
In the meantime, the above mentioned accused person coming there rebuked us. What is used, rebuked us and threatened to beat and kill us in front of the police?
That is.
But the said building is not mine. Yes.
So in the vernacular, my lord, mati niye, enete utto podokia gone, ahi amak nana dhoroner gali galas pari maribo katibo buli dia homki die.
294.
294, my lord.
323, I don't think is there.
And attempt is also not there.
Let's see. 293.
294, my lord.
294.
4, my lord.
What is the obscene words?
Nothing is there, my lord. Yeah, please.
294. I don't know. I'm yet to hear you. But Miss Miss Begum,
Lordship.
294.
I found a judgment, my lord. It is not similar but not dissimilar on the
Wait,
facts.
we'll go to judgment. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
And then which is the other one? 511.
Attempt, my lord. There is no allegation of attempt to do anything, my lord.
So threaten to beat and kill us. That is there, of course.
In front of the police person, my lord.
So
And their FIR is, my lord, one
So-
subsequent, my lord.
that I will
Yes.
go to that aspect, but police personnel, if he's there, he's in hand and glove with you, then what can be done? Huh?
My lord, to my instruction, my lord,
No,
That
you
is-
see, I cannot take that instruction, no.
because
I am only bound by what is written in page 10.
that's
I cannot travel beyond that.
my lord,
I have to apply my mind on the averments made in page 10.
my lord,
Right.
Right.
Now in page 10, clearly it is there threaten to beat and kill us.
my lord.
So all plain reading of that looks like there has been a threaten. Correct? Of course, the surrounding facts and paragraph 7 of Bhajan Lal if gets it 7.
Seven.
Paragraph 7, that's upset,
Romans
is 7, na? 7 or 8?
seven.
7. That if it comes, then it's a different thing. But otherwise, yes, which is it? 511.
511, my lord.
Punishment for attempting to commit offense punishable with imprisonment for life or other imprisonment.
What is this? Ms. Begum?
Lordship. Doesn't come lordship.
Hmm?
Only 294 is there. Threatening part is there and
294 is obscene language.
language.
What is the obscene language? I don't know. Anyway, yes, next, let us see their FIR, page 16.
Our FIR, my lord, yes, my lord.
Yes, your FIR, sorry.
Page 16, my lord. Before lordship comes to page 16, my lord, lordship, kindly have a look at page 14, my lord.
Yes.
This is the compromise deal we entered into, my lord. We had earlier in the point of before 2001, my lord, filed FIRs against each other, my lord. That matter was settled, my lord, page 14, my lord.
So there is history of filing
Yes,
FIRs against each other.
yes, my lord. That is there, my lord.
Hmm.
Just regarding the 32-inch gap, my lord. Page 14, my lord.
Yes, I saw.
That is that compromise deal. my lord.
Keeping a gap of 32 inch from the building.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, then
Our FIR is page 16.
when you say our means you have filed against them.
Yes.
Yes,
My son, yes, my lord.
read.
Page 16, my lord, I so and so am the owner of so and so. My neighbor Sheikh Nur Islam has a building by the name of the Nikita Market on the western side of my property. There is a gap of 32 inches between my building and his building, which belongs to me as per the compromise and settlement agreement signed between him and me. That I showed my lordship. I'm attaching the compromise letter with this application. In the compromise agreement, Sheikh Nur so and so had agreed to leave a space of 32 inches from the wall of my building and promised not to do any construction on that area. I have been using the space for my drainage and signboard and water connection purposes. Today around 1 p.m., so and some masons workers started digging that area to install some pillar or something of that nature. My employees tried to request him not to do anything in that area as it belongs to me, but he didn't listen to my request. Respectfully, sir, most humbly, so and so, he is violating the compromise settlement signed by him and me before the Patan Bazaar police station. It's a very urgent matter, so and so, my lord. My case was registered against 420, my lord.
No cases made out for both,
Another point, my lord. On page 25.
isn't it?
Yes, Lord.
For both.
Because they have done the compromise deed again.
Give me what decision you wanted to show.
Yes.
All right, you want to show something more?
Yes, one, my lord.
What?
Page 25, I filed another FIR, my lord.
Huh?
Yes.
Another file.
Another
Third file.
This time my son.
Same subject.
Same subject matter.
That is not come for quashing.
That is one point, my lord. In their petition.
What
they have-
happened to that?
In their petition, my lord, they have come for quashing for 2 FIRs in one petition, my lord.
So that is also part of the
Yes,
second,
Yes, my lord.
wait, which page?
Page 25, my lord.
And this was filed when? 10 July.
10 July, subsequently, my lord. This is a very long FIR, my lord, because subject matter is the same, my lord. And again, my lord, 420 only.
Yes.
This was, my lord. We have-
Who filed this? Your son?
This was filed by
Who is the complainant?
I am the complainant, my lord. It's me, my lord.
So between both, so this is by the petitioner. Yes,
On 294, my lord.
give it Anok, Anok. Bhajan Lalu লাগিব।
হয়, 294.
Vidika।
Well, this is for 294, my lord. Paragraph 2, lordship will see, my lord.
Yes, paragraph 2.
Just put the facts, my lord.
Yes.
It appears from the materials on record that the parties to this litigation are residing at one common enclave called the so and so, my lord.
Hmm.
Also reject this.
Hmm.
Last time the said paragraph, on the page, they also agreed, the parties entered into a verbal altercation on the issue of excessive flow of wastewater in the society, my lord. Our fight was regarding the 32-inch gap, my lord.
Yes.
And also I turn the page, my lord. Page, my lord, this page, my lord, page 5, my lord.
Yes.
The part in italics, my lord.
Which
Part? Part in italics, my lord. Little bit slant.
the residents inquired about the same, that part?
On the next day, 16.
Yes, I got it.
Yes, my lord. When the work of laying the PVC pipes was being carried out, the residents inquired about the same. Later, one of the landowners, namely so-and-so, spoke unparliamentary words towards the workers. The workers there informed Miss so-and-so about this. She rushed to the spot and the said landowner once again used the said unparliamentary words. So the case was registered at 294, my lord. Then paragraph 7, my lord. It is to noted that the test of obscenity under section 294 is whether the tendency of the matter charged as obscenity is to deprave and or corrupt those whose minds are open to such immoral influences. But those ingredients are missing in our FI as well, my lord.
See, if you ultimately, it has to be also seen in a realistic manner. FIR filing should not also be an abuse of the process, right? Looks like on 5th, looks like first of all, in the past, both parties have filed FIRs against each other for conflict of that particular, their differences in relation to the distance between their buildings. Then you all have entered your compromises. Subsequent to the compromises, again, they were disturbing you to do some work on which you had filed an FIR after you and called the police. Sorry, you called the police. Now, after the police came, apparently they filed an FIR saying in front of the police, you rebuked them. Correct.
Right.
This is the case.
Yes, please.
And later you saw that no, they have filed another FIR. So after a few days, again another FIR you put.
Yes.
That's it. Where is any criminal case? I think you both should be, in both the petition should be dismissed with cost. Or rather the quashing should be, the court should quash, but with cost. Yes. What do you say?
To that, my lord, I can only say, my lord, much is gracious enough. My lord.
Because it looks like both the brothers are trying to sort out the difference by unnecessarily wasting judicial time. Both the FIRs appears to be in total abuse of court process. Both. Nothing. Where is Bhajanlal? You want to show something more?
No, Bhajanlal is there, my lord. I didn't bring the copy, my lord. It is in paragraph 102, my lord, Bhajanlal.
Yes. Anyway, I think yes, huh? Yes, anything else, Mr. Bora?
My lord, actually, entire dispute is civil nature. The civil suit is going on till pending. My lord, moreover, present the
Come here, come here.
my lord, my respect to submission, whether police officer has power and duty to execute any deed of agreement in law question. If not, whether the terms and conditions violated by the
Anyway, that is not the subject matter of this proceedings.
the
This is
arising out from this.
whatever.
Yes.
But you are right when you say it's a
Yes.
complete civil nature.
Yes.
That this court
Yes,
agrees
it's
with
a-
you.
it's a-
There is no criminal angle in this matter.
Yes.
It's just
Actually-
that you both are not being able to settle your differences. You are constantly fighting with one another. And in that, you have found very comfortable to come and knock the doors of the court whenever you feel like, without even there being any existence of any criminal.
My experience of the before Lordship,
Hmm?
both the petition may be allowed and both the brothers will reside peacefully. This is my.
I'll
stance.
record that.
My lord.
They are ready to stay peacefully. Are you ready or not? Otherwise, cost will be imposed on your client, Mr.
My
Mahajan.
lord, we are the peaceful ones. Two
No, no,
times.
they seem to be making a submission in the court.
Yeah,
I'm not getting similar submission from your end.
no, not to remain peaceful is, we have to abide by that, my lord.
You have to.
We have to remain peaceful, that we are law-abiding citizens, my lord. That
So
is
you also undertake.
we will remain peaceful, my lord, but
I will undertake.
They have given the
yes,
undertaking
I'm
in
elder
court.
brother.
he's the elder brother.
They have given an undertaking in the
And the
court.
younger
I,
brother, my lord.
I shall record the undertaking.
My lord, yes, my lord.
What?
Both of us will remain peaceful, my lord.
Okay.
There should not be any breach in that, my lord. That
I'm agree. I'm agree. Well, he is my brother. Actually, I have given the building as per compromise agreement. Your
not-
Lordship kindly-
Yes, you have given, but why when he came on 5th, then why were you stopping them?
My lord,
Because
actually,
that is
if
the
your lordship-
allegation.
they wanted to put in some
If your
hoarding.
lordship permit me, then I will submit few lines.
Yes,
Actually, the building where petitioner building is standing facing towards the GS road. And in front of him, my plot, 10 acres of land, my land. On due permission, I have given the passage to exit entry to his
egress
building.
and ingress.
Yes. Now, he wants to construct a transformer in my land, but I objected. On that pretext, he had forced
Anyway,
in criminal court.
Okay.
That's why this is the subject matter of dispute.
Where is Bidika?
Well, I can email it to your lordships.
Um, General email query but a relevant page paragraph to light list. No problem. I've got it, huh, Mr.
Well-
Mahajan?
Paragraph 102, my lord.
1 second. Which is the paragraph?
Bhajan Lal, my lord, paragraph 102, my lord.
10.
2, my lord. Para, my lord, 2 and 7, my lord.
I think this I'm holding the AIR, so it is different. Once I'll find out. I'll find out.
Down below. My lord.
Hey, SSC খন উলিয়াই দিয়ক না প্লিজ তেওঁ ইমেইল কৰি দিব
Court 19. Thank you. It's your SCC heavy. 1992 supplementary 1 SCC 335. What is it?
I think two separate orders or one order can be, composite order can be passed, I
Yes, ma'am.
think. No?
Your lordship.
But they're two criminal different proceedings. You take first matter, Iketor. Heard Mr. N. Mahajan, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Top. Also heard Mr. L.K. Bora, learned counsel appearing for the respondent stroke informant number 2. And A. Begum, learned APP for the state respondents. By way of this petition, under section 482-397-401 CRPC, the petitioner is seeking quashing of the FIR dated,
6-7.
no, yours 6/7, na?
6/7.
Dated 6/7/2019. Pertaining to Bhongagor PS case number 243/2019, registered under section 294-323-511 of IPC. Stop. There was a stay order
My case, I see order, madam. Stay order was passed on, madam.
pertinent that by order dated 31/7/2019, further proceedings in connection with the said case, said criminal, said FIR was stayed. Stop. The brief facts of the case is that on 6/7/2019, one Sheikh Noor Islam, within bracket respondent number 2, lodged an FIR with the officer in charge Bhongagor Police Station, stating inter alia that on last 5/7/2019 at about 5:30 p.m., when two police personnel came and called him and his manager outside the FIR, the petitioner rebuked and threatened them of assaulting and cutting. Upon receipt of the same, the said case was registered. The informant stroke respondent number 2 is the elder brother of the petitioner number 1, and they reside in the adjacent buildings.
Hmm.
And there has been a long period of a boundary dispute going on between them. Stop. In fact, in the year 2001, also pursuant to both parties lodging criminal complaints against each other, the matter was later on compromised, and thereafter a compromise deed was entered between them on 5/7/19,
6/7/2001, madam.
on 6/7/2001.
2001.
Stop. Stop. Mr. N. Mahajan so and so submits that despite the aforesaid settlement having entered between the petitioner and the respondent number 2, the respondent number 2 violated the terms of the settlement deed, for which the respondent, for which the petitioner had to inform the police official
Bhangar police station.
on 5/7/2019, jurisdictional police official on 5/7/2019, and had also lodged an FIR on that date itself against the respondent number 2, which was registered as Bhangar PS case number 242 under section 420 IPC. He further submits that after the respondent lodged the instant FIR, another FIR dated 10/7/2019 was also filed by the petitioner against the respondent number 2, which was also registered as FIR
252.
252 of
2000
Bhangar police case number 252 of 2009 of 19 under section 120B and 420 IPC, page 29 of Pabait. He further submits that he further submits that that no criminal case whatsoever is made out in the body of the instant FIR. Is made out in the body of the averments allegations made in the FIR in question. He further submits that the FIR is manifestly attended with malafide only with an ulterior motive for wreaking vengeance on the petitioner in view of their long private and personal grudges against each other. In support of the aforesaid submission, he relies upon the decision of the Apex Court in State of Haryana and others versus Bhajan Lal and others, reported in 1992, Supplementary 1 SSE 335. Per contra, Mr. L.P. Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent 2, in his usual fairness, submits that considering that both parties have filed FIR against each other, and the fact and the undisputed fact being their long dispute as regard their long boundary dispute pending between the two, both the FIR, the FIR, the criminal cases lodged by both of them against each other does not appears to be totally civil in nature. He further submits that he further submits on instruction that the respondent number 2 is ready and willing to abide by the settlement terms arrived between them and to live peacefully, isn't it, in his building without causing any disturbance or annoyance. That I should not add, I think, to the petitioner. He accordingly undertakes that the petitioner shall not instigate respondent number 2 shall not instigate and/or disturb the cohabitation of the petitioner in his building. Correct?
My lord, the civil suit is pending.
He further submits that since civil suit is pending, whatever the outcome, whatever the outcome arises, he shall abide by the same.
Yes.
So till then, Subject, of course, I already did that. MSA Begum, learned APP, fairly also fairly contents that the averments made in the FIR prima facie does not prima facie even the averments made in the FIR on the face of it does not constitute any criminal offense whatsoever. I have given my prudent consideration to the learned counsels appearing for all the parties and have perused the materials available on record. The principles of exercise under section 482 CRPC to quash the FIR is well settled right from the decision of the apex court in the case of so-and-so versus so-and-so reported in, what is the citation you said, SSC?
1992,
1992,
supplementary 1 SCC
supplementary 1 SSC
335.
335. তাৰপিছত তুমি তাৰপিছত লেখা, these parameters are as hereunder quote unquote 1 to 7. ইয়াত আছে মানে নহলে quote unquote ঠিকে আছে, এইটো দিলেই হ'ব। ইয়াতে এই 102 paragraph পাব। Reverting to the present case, the allegation, reverting to the present case, the allegation made in the complaint appears to be purely civil in nature. Section 294B IPC. So section 294 IPC talks about obscene acts and songs. Section 294 IPC as a whole reads as under quote unquote didiba. Hence, the test of obscenity under section 294 Section, what was the other one? Section?
323.
Section 323 prescribes punishment for voluntarily causing hurt. Where is voluntarily causing hurt defined?
319 minutes.
319.
19.
Section 319 defines hurt prescribes that whoever causes bodily pain, disease, or infirmity to any person is said to cause hurt. In the present, there is no allegation in the FIR as regards the petitioner causing bodily pain, disease, or infirmity whatsoever to the respondent number 2 so as to cause him hurt. Hence, no offense whatsoever is made out under 294 and 324 IPC.
323 minutes.
323 IPC. Similarly, 511 prescribes punishment for attempting to commit offenses punishable with imprisonment for life or other imprisonment. The averments, even assuming to be true, does not make out any offense under section 511 IPC. That apart, it is evident that earlier also the parties have lodged criminal complaints against each other over the same boundary dispute, and after settling the same in the police station had withdrawn the FIRs. It further appears that a settlement has also been arrived. It further appeared that as per the settlement deed arrived between where is the settlement deed?
Page 14, madam.
Page
14, madam.
14. The said settlement deed dated 6/7. No. Page.
Page 14, madam. 6/7/2001.
40.
1/4, madam.
That's not the. Is that the settlement deed?
Yes, yes, madam.
Yes.
The,
Page
se-
15 vernacular, Assamese.
the
40
settlement arrived between the two on 6/7/2001 before the officer in charge Paltan Bajar police station reads as under, quote unquote, page 14. It appears that thereafter that since further there has been differences that despite the aforesaid settlement there has been differences between the two. Where is your first FIR?
Well, page 16, madam.
The petitioner on 5th July on 5/7/2019 upon the respondent number 2 employing some masons and workers to dig the disputed boundary to install some pillar. He had to inform the jurisdictional police station, and accordingly a case was registered under section 420 IPC on 5/7/2001
19, madam.
19. It further appears that after the police had arrived and the knowledge of the instant FIR, the respondent number 2 lodged the present FIR on 6/7/2019, alleging that the petitioner has rebuked him in many ways. It is thus apparent that the instant criminal proceeding has been manifestly attended by the respondent number 2 with malafide and has been maliciously instituted with an ulterior motive for wreaking vengeance on the petitioner in order to suit his personal grudge against the petitioner. That being so, continuation of criminal proceeding under the said FIR is not justifiable. Set aside, quashed, interim order merged, dismissed. Now the other one, where is the other item?
Item 2, madam.
I have to file to do. In this, looks like I'll have to dictate the whole.
Okay.
But there you have made a fair submission only. And you are the petitioner. That's like, huh? Heard Mr. L.K. Bora, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. N. Mahajan, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 2. A. Begum, APP for the state respondent. By any stay order in this? No.
No.
By filing the instant petition under section 482 of the RPC, the petitioner is seeking quashing of FIR dated 6. Give me the date 6.
Yes.
You help.
5/7/2019.
Their FIR.
Our
This is your FIR.
5/7/2019
5/7/2019
and 10/7/2019.
and 10/7/2019
2019.
pertaining to Bhongagor PS case number 242/2019 under section 420 IPC and Bhongagor PS case number 252/2019 under section 120B/420 IPC respectively. In fact, to সেইখিনি একে ৰাখি দিবা ওপৰৰখিনি সব হা সব একে ৰাখিলেও নহয় এই প্যারাগ্রাফ 2 লবা করে দিব লাগিব তুমি নোৱাৰিবা The facts of the case is that the petitioner is the owner and possessor of a plot of land measuring 2 katha 14 lecha of land covered by I think it'll be easy for me to dictate this in the chamber because after seeing that draft.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, I will end up dictating the entire facts again, and half of them I've already dictated.
Similar.
Only thing in your case, the same submissions, I will reverse it here as a petitioner, and then also take into account that this, otherwise, your FIR is purely civil. There is nothing there. Both, huh? To me, a second document, I will. This quote is not available tomorrow, so I will try to sign it before. But otherwise, if there is, they have to type and give it to me, and the other one is also there. So, huh?
Yes, Lord, please, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Dismissed. Both. No, not dismissed. Allowed. Both have been allowed.
Yes.
With cost. With a warning for sure. I will add it.
Obliged, ma'am.
Must be.
Highly obliged, ma'am.
For hearing, item number 3. Item 2.
Yes.
My lord, my senior is on leg, my lord. He is at code number 8.
3.
Yes.
All right. Next week then.
Yes.
As
My lord.
as prayed for by Mr. Your name.
M. Rahman, my lord.
M. Rahman, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, relist 121 next week. Tell him, give me a date. When do you want it? Date of next week on such and such.
Item 4.
Wait, wait, wait. This is a case, my lord, under section 314. The learned session just convicted the appellant
3-1.
for
This is a appeal.
appeal and sentenced to 7 years.
314. Yes.
The simple fact is there, my lord.
Yes.
The appellant was called by the deceased. She was carrying pregnancy at advanced stage. And she had already 5 children, and that is the 6th pregnancy. So she did not want that to come out as a lifestyle.
As a?
Lifestyle. So she wanted to abort it. She called this appellant, and the appellant is a village apothecary Thai.
Number 2, huh? Yes. None appears on call by Ms. A. Begum, so and so. Relist next week on any date to be fixed by the registry. Next.
Item 19.
I think mention was made in 19, no?
19, Lordship.
Isn't it? 18 is done. 18 is, no, 19 also, I think 19 and 20 both were mentioned in the morning. 20, anyone there?
20 is mentioned.
You were making, yes, as prayed for by MS.
M. Bora Lordship.
M. Bora, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. When do you want it?
Lordship, any day now.
Which is not objected by the other side, released on such and such date.
27.
Now call 19 again.
19.
I think it was, Ms. Begum, did anyone mention item 19?
Somebody had mentioned when Lordship, it was stopped. Somebody came.
Then prayed for
Lordship.
released next week. On any date, after a week. Let it be after a week, otherwise lot of matters are getting fixed next week.
Remember now. Lordship, this matter was mentioned and they need accommodation for tomorrow. Then as Lordship said, that I'll not be there and he told that I will be
Oh.
there.
None appears on call, relist next week on any date to be fixed by the registry.